In this video, I'll be demonstrating a two-color double chain bind-off. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. So a two-color double chain bind-off is a variation on the one-color double chain bind-off. We throw two colors in there and change it up just a tiny bit in order to get the two colors to produce the double chain. Let me show you what this looks like and how to work it. Here's the finished bind off. It has it's two colors and it's a double chain, so there's a chain across the front and along the top. It looks very nice. It's a really nice bind off edge for working color work. So here I've worked a few rows of a checkerboard or striped colorwork pattern. You wouldn't need to have a base of color work if you didn't want to, but you would join your second color when you begin the bind off if you have just a single color in the base fabric. So to work this bind off, you keep both yarns in the back and you will knit one with your first color, like so. And then you will make a reverse yarn over with this same yarn. And so reverse yarn over starts at the back, comes over top of the needle to the front, and then back to the back again. And now we will drop that color back and to the left and pick the next color up from underneath and to the right. So these yarns are going to end up twisting around each other as you work. And then we will knit the next stitch. So now I have two stitches of blue and one of yellow. I'm going to pass both of these first two stitches over that third stitch. And now we can snug up just a little that blue strand just to tighten that loop a tiny bit. Now we're going to repeat this process. So this color, last color used, I'm going to make a reverse yarn over. Drop it to the left and back, pick up the blue from underneath and to the right, and knit the next stitch. And now I'm going to take the first two stitches that are the same color and pass them over that third stitch, and then snug up slightly that yellow strand. Now make a reverse yarn over with the blue, drop it back into the left, pick up the yellow from underneath and to the right, knit that next stitch, pass these two stitches over the third stitch, snug up that blue just a tiny bit to get that stitch just a little bit snugger. Make a reverse yarn over with that yellow. I like to insert my needle ready to knit and then drop that yarn to the left and pick up the new yarn to knit that stitch. And we will repeat this across the row. If you find your tension is a little too loose, you could size down your knitting needle. So the yarn over is what ends up making this bottom loop of this chain making it look like a chain in the front, and then the bind off stitches are making the chain along the top. So you will have two yarns to weave in, tails to weave in at the end. But there is the finished bind off. So that is how to work the 2-color double chain bind off. What do you think of this bind off? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.